Hey, good morning, everybody. Good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this, whatever time when you guys are watching this. So first things first, how we always start off the week. I want to thank all the new subscribers and all the people who've been dropping your feedback and stuff on all my videos. I appreciate all you guys' support, all you guys' feedback. So drop your likes on the video, drop your comments. I try to do my best to read and reply to all of them. So appreciate that. It's basically Monday. I got some things to do this morning, so I won't be able to do the CarMax this Monday, but I seen your comment, my guy. I would look into doing a Sacramento CarMax next week when I go back to doing a CarMax auction Monday. But my sister, she works for the Oklahoma City Public Schools, and they had an auction Saturday. So I didn't know that the schools be having auctions or when they ever go on, but she let me know. So it was like a spur of the moment thing. I didn't have my camera, so that's where I'm at this morning. I bought a lot of stuff, so it's a lot of stuff that I need to go pick up. So I'll let you guys see that. So let's get to it, and then after the video's over, you guys let me know what y'all think about the stuff that I bought. And so I appreciate all you guys' feedback. Make sure you drop a like. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell. I drop videos Monday through Friday, and all my videos probably drop around 5, 6 in the afternoon. So, but hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Let's get to it. Hey, look at it inside. Look at all the stuff they have for sale. Chairs and stuff like that. All this stuff that came out of these schools, cafeteria tables. They ain't sold those yet. I'm gonna sell those probably in a little bit. And you got all these monitors and old computers. What? Diesel? Is diesel? Is that yours?
Yeah, this is all his. Nah, yeah, this is
Nah, that's yeah. There's my little cabinet though. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but
Yeah, nah, we already said we gonna go flip on it. We gonna clean that and we gonna move on.
So we need the invoices and stuff?
Huh?
Do we need the invoices and stuff? Or no?
I think I only got 2 of those over here. 255 and yours is 268.
So y'all didn't get that, did y'all? Nah.
Nah,
We ain't getting no dollars. We just got these down fucking monitors.
Monitors with the projector.
Yeah.
You should have.
That's it on this area. Then we got some over
we got
there.
3 pallets in that one area, did we?
I thought we only had. I don't
We
know.
ain't getting no more.
Yeah.
Because Aaron got the 2 and I got the 1.
Yeah, because we can only think of 3.
We got this, then I'll show you what else we got. We got some monitors and stuff like that. Didn't get any of these. These things were going expensive, man. This stuff went for like, this was going like 10 grand a pallet, 11 grand a pallet. It was just going crazy. Like 10 grand, 10 grand. Like these weren't going as much as the what's the names, as the laptops. The laptops was going for like 14, 15 grand. See? I got this right here. My bidder number was 331, so I got a lot of these standard projectors. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them. And then, as y'all can see again, they didn't put my number on these, but y'all know, y'all get the drift. This 331, 331. So I got all these smart boards. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 27, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all those smart boards, man. I don't know. Really don't know. So I was just buying stuff to be buying. And sometimes you just buy stuff to be buying. And then, this stuff, didn't get that. Got a box of these cords. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that as well. So we got that as well. Just got a lot of stuff. Show you. Then show you. So we got those smart boards all boxed up, I don't know if they was from this year's school year or last year's, but some of them look pretty new. Some of them got some damage on them, as you can see. Some got some damage on them, but other than that, most of them is pretty fairly well taken care of. They probably from last year's school year, so you know, just getting rid of them. Show you what else, you know, a lot of stuff. So then we end up getting more smart boards. A lot of them. We got all these standing smart boards. So these standing ones, you know, they got desks, all this old equipment and stuff like that. And they have a lot of sales. So you know, we got these standing ones, all these standing ones with the projectors, smart boards to them. Don't know what we're gonna do with them. Like I said, don't know what we're gonna do with them. But let's see. These is all fully equipped. See, these came out of somebody's room. See, this one's already fully equipped with the speakers, projectors. Plug it up, make sure it works. Pretty sure they do. You know, I'm pretty sure they just got rid of because old stuff. You know, out with the old, in with the new. Then you know, somebody bought all these smart boards. We didn't get those, so somebody bought all of those. You know, then this is like printers and routers and stuff like that. You know, as you see, that's what this stuff is. So that's printers, routers. You have more standard projectors. I bought this stuff as well. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but you know, sometimes you just buy stuff to be buying stuff. I was just in a bidding mood. As you can see, 331. This is more, you know, to the smart boards. So I seen I had all those smart boards, so these are just extra pieces to the smart board. So got that. Then somebody got all of that. Then you know, some people got that. See what I missed out on? I didn't get any smart board remotes, but it is what it is. But you know, then we go show you. Then also got these two. So we got these two, but this is what they look like though. This is what it actually looks like. This is what it looks like by itself. Right there, that's what it looks like. But it's two stacked on one. They sold this in individual, then they sold them with two. Them was also little smart things. Basically like you can put a computer in and touch screen and stuff. So, but I don't know. Show you guys what else we got. It looks like fully, this ain't a fully set up one, but it's like if it's fully set up, then it had like the two speakers coming in on the side, as you can see. But this is what I got. I got probably about 50 of these things. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. 50, probably more than 50 of them. You know, a little dusty. I came right out of school. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Huh?
Put it on eBay and make money.
Put it on eBay, marketplace, somewhere. Try to make some money. Hopefully, you know. It's a beautiful item. You know, got the projector set up. You know, projector looking all beautiful. Can't beat it. You know, loading up the U-Haul truck. God damn, them things huge. Nah, you gonna have to just put them in there. We're gonna have, cause all of them ain't like this. All of them got the projector on them, so we should be all right. Damn. This one got the little storage. Man, this one came with a little something else at the bottom of that one. I ain't even know. Pay no attention. I don't know what the hell we gonna do with all these, but yeah, we start. Selling cars, smart boards and all. You got kids, you need a smart board, throw us an extra little money. You pay us a little bit of more money, you can throw in a smart board. Let's get to it, you guys. Standard projectors, don't know what I'm gonna do with them. What we gonna do with them, we'll figure out something. You know, sometimes you just buy stuff and then you figure out what you're gonna do with it later. And full of smart boards from the auction, man. Look at all these smart boards, man. All of this smart boards, small smart boards, all of them with the projectors.
That's what I said.
Look at all this, man. Box truck from field
That's what I'll tell you.
front to back. So it's about, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What are we gonna do with all this? I guess start selling some projectors and stuff like that. This is the type of stuff that they sell at the public school auction. I mean, they got a lot of stuff though. So they got. Yeah, y'all want to. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to make sure we get a good one. Shit. Make the bowls. Some bowls might be out. There you go. Look at all that. Then you got the ones that's coming with the cafeteria tables and stuff like that. That one's coming next week. So next time I come to the auction, I want to get some footage from it. But as y'all can see, we got a lot of smart boards, and I'll show you guys what else we got. So let's get to it. We put all that other stuff in the house. Now I don't know where all the rest of this stuff going. So if y'all interested in trying to buy a smart board, let me know in below, man. I definitely sell y'all one, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. You know, they smart boards. They come fully equipped. See, this one got the DVD player and the projector. This one got the projector with it too. So they put this two in that box. So they mainly all fully completed, I guess. So projector, standard projector. That one ain't got no projector, and that's the small one. That's got a projector. That's just got a lot of parts in there. That one got the little base in the projector. Man, we got this and some more stuff. I'll show y'all what else we got, and then we'll end it after that. Look, all this old school equipment, man. This just brings back memories to being in school, man. You know, these small little tables, all this stuff. Look at all this stuff that they got just piled up in the warehouse that they're gonna be selling. I'm gonna definitely buy some of this stuff for my kids and let them paint it, and you know, just look at all this stuff though. Look at all that, rows and rows and rows and rows and stuff. This is a public school auction, you know. School ends, and look at this. Man, it's crazy. All this stuff that they just gonna auction off, and because all the schools got all that new stuff, so you know they got to get rid of all this old stuff to bring in the new stuff. So you know, if you can find one of these auctions locally going on, it's got to be going on here in the next couple weeks in your state. So I mean, you can come up here and get some stuff for some really good prices, you know. So see, look at that. This is something perfect that I'll buy for my kids. That's just perfect right here. Look at that. Yep. Just stuff like that. I'll let them repaint it and paint over it. Perfect for the kids. But let's get back to it, you guys. And the auction also has some buses for sale as well, as you can see. Whew, man, moving stuff all day. They had all these buses for sale. All these old school buses. They said there was 5 rows. They said 3 of the row 3. I don't know. Yeah, that's row 3. Y'all see? 2009. All those type of buses. Got buses right there. All these type of buses. That guy right there bought like 15 of these buses. See, you got all these buses. This one's in this row. Like I said, they told him and they didn't run. But see, we were able to buy 3 buses. See, we got 3 mini buses. I'll show you guys right quick. Hurry up. You know, it's been a long day. So we ended up getting this one, and we got this one. So we got 2 2005s and that one. We got 3 GMCs, you know, mini buses, however you call them. So we end up getting 3 of those, and I'll show you guys once we get them to the lot. But this is just the inside of me picking up everything here at this auction. It was a cool little auction. I wish I had my GoPro so I can get some footage. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Let me know below, because tomorrow will be Copart. So if you want to see Copart prices in whatever state you're in or certain state, please let me know below in the comments below. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.